Hiroshima is a city in Japan that holds significant historical and cultural importance. It's famously known as the first city in the world to suffer a nuclear attack. On 6 August 1945, during World War II, the United States dropped an atomic bomb on Hiroshima, resulting in massive destruction and loss of life. The bombing had a profound impact on global history, marking a turning point in warfare and international relations. Today, Hiroshima is a vibrant city known for its efforts in promoting peace and nuclear disarmament, symbolized by the Peace Memorial Park and the Atomic Bomb Dome, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. In the park are the ruins of Genbaku Dome, one of the few buildings that was left standing near Ground Zero. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial, Genbaku Dome, is the only structure left standing near the hypocenter of the first atomic bomb which exploded on 6 August 1945, and it remains in the condition right after the explosion. Through the efforts of many people, including those of the city of Hiroshima, this ruin has been preserved in the same state as immediately after the bombing. Not only is it a stark and powerful symbol of the most destructive force ever created by humankind, it also expresses the hope for world peace and the ultimate elimination of all nuclear weapons. The inscribed property covers 0.40 hectare in the urban center of Hiroshima and consists of the surviving Genbaku Dome. Genbaku means atomic bomb in Japanese, within the ruins of the building. The 42.7 hectare buffer zone that surrounds the property includes the Peace Memorial Park. The most important meaning of the surviving structure of the Hiroshima Peace Memorial is in what it symbolizes, rather than just its aesthetic and architectural values. This silent structure is the skeletal form of the surviving remains of the Hiroshima Prefectural Industrial Promotional Hall, constructed in 1914. It symbolizes the tremendous destructive power, which humankind can invent on the one hand. On the other hand, it also reminds us of the hope for world permanent peace. The Children's Peace Monument was built to commemorate Serko Shasky and the thousands of other innocent children who died due to the atomic bombing of Hiroshima. When Serko was 2 years old, the atomic bomb was dropped and she was exposed at home about 1.7 kilometers from hypocenter. Even though she had no apparent injuries soon after the bombing, 10 years after the bombing, she was suddenly hospitalized because of the leukemia. After 8 months in the hospital, she died surrounded by her family. In hospital, she continued to fold orijuru, paper cranes, with her desire to get well. The story of Serko and orijuru has spread around the world. Today, orijuru is known as a symbol of peace. On the stone underneath the pedestal is inscribed, "This is our cry. This is our prayer for building peace in this world." Extending southwards from the atomic bomb dome and located mostly on a narrow stretch of land between two rivers, Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park is like a green island in the middle of the city. A serene space covering over 120,000 square meters, it serves to memorialize the great many lives lost in the world's first nuclear attack, while making use of nature to reaffirm the preciousness of all life. It is dedicated to the legacy of Hiroshima as the first city in the world to suffer a nuclear attack at the end of World War II, and to the memories of the bomb's direct and indirect victims, of whom there may have been as many as 140,000. Near the center of the park is a concrete, saddle-shaped monument that covers a cenotaph holding the names of all of the people killed by the bomb. The monument is aligned to frame the peace flame and the A-bomb dome. The memorial cenotaph was one of the first memorial monuments built on open field on 6 August 1952. The arch shape represents a shelter for the souls of the victims. The peace flame is another monument to the victims of the bomb that destroyed Hiroshima, but it has an additional symbolic purpose. The flame has burned continuously since it was lit in 1964, and will remain lit until all nuclear bombs on the planet are destroyed and the planet is free from the threat of nuclear annihilation.